There is no guaranteed path to success, and anybody that tells you otherwise is lying to you. Now, while there is no guarantee, there are certain things that you can do to increase your chances of success. See, most of us live our lives day to day not really thinking about it, so your chances of success are probably zero. If you actively make these sacrifices and work towards whatever goal you have, I promise you, your chances of success will exponentially multiply. Top into this. The first thing you need to sacrifice is experiences. What I've come to learn in my personal life is that you could pursue one or the other, but usually you can't pursue both. At least you can't do so in the building stages. In the early stages, when you're really pursuing your passion, your dream, your career, your academia, these are the stages where you're going to have to sacrifice the experiences and fully go into it. Now, once you reach a certain level of success that you're comfortable with, yeah, then at that point it's completely fine to start reaping some of the benefits of all the hard work you did. But in the early stages, you're going to have to cut the travel time, the friend time, the partying time, the experiences, because you're going to have to take all that time and invest it into whatever passion it is that you're working on, mainly because you got nobody else that's going to do it for you. Two, you have to sacrifice negative friends. These are the dudes that are still living off of mom's dime and still playing video games every single day. These are also going to be the exact same dudes that are supposed to be your friends, but they're mocking you because you're starting your new business or you're really trying in school. See, they just don't understand it, and your personal drive just makes them so uncomfortable that the only way that they can cope with it is to mock you, to try to bring you back down to their level. Those are the type of friends that aren't real friends. Those are the negative type of dudes that you're going to have to cut. Number three, you're going to have to sacrifice women, just for a little bit. Now, I'm not telling you to go celibate, but let's be real. Getting to know, meeting, talking, courting, dating, just the whole process of being in a relationship with a woman is extremely time consuming. And that's the exact same time and energy your new business is going to consume. See, we all have a certain level or amount of energy that we can spend on. If you're spending 80% on that trying to pursue girls, you're only leaving 20% of energy and time left for your business. That other 80% could have gotten you closer to your goals. That 80% that could have increased your chances of success. Number four, you're going to have to sacrifice a little bit of sleep. Look, sleep is crucial. Sleep is important, especially for problem solving, creative thinking. To be able to perform when you're trying to reach what you want to reach, you're going to have to prioritize sleep, but you don't want to overindulge. See, when you wake up after 10 hours of sleep, you basically just slept half a day, while somebody else is probably only sleeping 6 hours a day. Now think about that. Most people that overindulge will sleep anywhere from 8 to 10 hours. Then you have the dudes that are only sleeping 6 hours. It's still 6 hours of quality sleep, but they got a 4-hour advantage on you on a single day. In a week, that's 28-hour advantage. In a year, that's 1,456-hour advantage. In days, that's about 60 days more. So in a whole year, them just skimping on those 4 hours over you, they have a 2-month lead on more that they can accomplish towards their goal. For five, you have to sacrifice the flashy lifestyle. See, you have to stop buying expensive things. They make you lose focus of your real goals, and they also drain your account. This puts you in financial stress, and now you're in a toxic circle where you continue to buy expensive things to try to prove something to yourself and to others, but you're in crippling debt that you can't pay off. Number six, being caught up with every show. Look, again, it's not bad to indulge in 1 or 2 shows here, but if you're caught up with your entire Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime watch list, you got a problem. You're wasting time. These are valuable hours that you could be using after you're done with work or school to invest in whatever hobby or side hustle that you're really trying to be successful in. If your main priority is catching up with the latest Squid Games or whatever latest show it is, you're wasting your time. And finally, number 7, you have to sacrifice instant gratification. If you noticed any recurring theme in this entire video, the main thing that you're sacrificing here is that instant gratification. Everything that you're sacrificing will make you feel good at that moment. But if you can delay that feeling of gratification then to focus on something that's hard that you know you really want to succeed in, I promise you, 5-10 years down the road, when that stuff is successful, not only will you have the time and the money and the freedom to be able to do what you want and actually indulge in all those things that you sacrificed early on. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to share this video to help your bros out. That's it from me today. See you next time.